to keep kneeling to an unstable egomaniac is not negotiating with a partner. It is obeying a madman.
Are you talking to me?
Colleagues, Commissioner, Council, as Mark Carney said yesterday,
La puissance des moins puissants commence par l'honnêteté.
So, let's be honest. Donald Trump will not change. Waiting him out is not a policy, even less a strategy. It is cowardice. All the flattery, all the appeasement brought exactly nothing except a spectacular failure. First, the EU Commission President accepted humiliating tariffs to protect the rules by bending. Then the humiliation came at the Alaska summit.
Okay, one more.
Then for Trump-Netanyahu's so-called peace, where we traded our moral stance for less than nothing. Good time to remember now when all of you are shocked for this bizarre and cynical board for peace proposals. When will it be enough to understand that the rule of international law is falling apart under the whims of a crazy narcissist, driven by the poisons of his own propaganda, which, by the way, many of you so-called patriots here openly admire and seek to replicate? To replicate what? Federal agents shooting people on the streets. Greenland must be the line in the sand to finally stand up. In all honesty, we are neither weak nor without power, just lacking the guts. That's a big difference. And while Washington is mocking us, deliver something real. Come on, hit back where it hurts. There's no other way with a bully like that. Call things what they are. Stop treating Trump as he was rational.
Are you talking to me?
Fight back based on our values and rules, not only when it's convenient, because to keep kneeling to an unstable egomaniac is not negotiating with a partner. It is obeying a madman. Thank you.